Time now for This Week in Auto History. Mr. Mars has that.
I found a lot of things this week that was really a really busy week in history. So June the 30th, back in 1953, of course, the first Chevrolet Corvette rolls off the assembly line. It was a white drop top with a red interior in it.
They were all that way.
Blood red.
And, it's all of them were?
Almost.
So then on July the 1st in 1903, the Ford Motor Company actually sells its first automobile. This is the one Henry sold, the Model A, that began everything and really started it all.
Not a Model
It
A.
looks like they're starting to tub it out.
It's a Model T, if anything. It's not a Model A.
No, I think that's a Model A.
Okay, well,
All right,
for those
well,
out there, Model A and Model T
Google.
aficionados.
Send your hate mail to Mars at In Wheel Time.
Oh, yeah. We need more.
It's going to be tubbed out.
July the 3rd, 1996 is when Dodge had the Viper GTS Coupe came out.
Oh, boy.
And it was introduced as a 96 with a V10 engine, and it became kind of an automotive icon that they don't make anymore. Then in July the 4th, 1894, Elwood Hayes, not his brother, but Elwood, test drives his first automobile. Now, this is one of the first ones that was in the United States in 1894, but noted that it was 8 years after the German patent for their first automobile.
Did his brother Jake join him?
Now, Jake was busy that day washing clothes or something.
I'd drive
Jake and Elwood?
Yeah.
I'd drive it.
Go ahead.
So, July the 5th, 1928, the first Chrysler Plymouth automobile goes on sale, leading up to the Chrysler, which has a lot of iconic products that are no longer made. Then in July the 6th, 1941, Chrysler unveils Town and Country. Now, this is came with a wood panel on the side of the body, and it kind of set the stage for the iconic American station wagon. The other thing it was notable for was when they did come out with the minivan, the Town and Country used that same styling with the wood panels on the side of it.
We remember.
Yeah, and it really kicked off the minivan
A vinyl
revolution.
applique kind of styling.
Well, I think this one actually, they
I
just
know
left
that
it in
that
the
one's
crate.
real wood, but I'm talking about the van that you mentioned.
Yep. So it was a busy week. I found a lot of stuff this week in auto history.
You know, it'd be a lot of fun is to just kind of take some really cheap C-class plywood, cut it up, and put that on the side of that minivan. Maybe stain it if you really are into it.
Oh, it's stained, all right.
And then just drill it in there so the windows won't go up and down anymore.
Or get John to wrap it.
No. It loses the whole effect if you don't.
Put the wood on it, but then wrap the wood instead of staining it.
That's too much. Just get some plywood and,
And to get a bucket of stain and throw it on there and be done with
it. Old fence pickets you see.
Barnwood.
Screw it in with some nice.
Or you could just go through the freeway and hit those pickets that separate the lanes.
Picket hitter.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I know somebody that did that. Whack the front of the hood.
Whack it.
And new hood. That'll take care of that.